When so quiet hearted that eyes can't follow me. Shoes half sunk in the shoreline, heart untied and running free. The city fades like a memory I never learned to keep, and my thoughts turn into ripples, falling slow and falling deep. I don't need a reason, I don't need a name, just the rhythm of the rain saying nothing feels the same. Let it wash my overthinking, let it soften all the edges, let the silence do the talking, it's quiet little language. And I breathe like I forgot how to know, wait on what I'm supposed to do. Just clouds writing stories overhead that I let drift through my head. Let me sit by the water, let my mind feel absence and wander through the rain where nothing has to stay the same. Let it pour till I don't feel like I want it more. Just me in the sky, unspoken, in a moment, softly broken. The world gets small in the puddles, like it's folding into me. Every drop a little question I don't have to solve to be. There's a sweetness in the hollow where the pressure used to live. Like I finally learned that emptiness can also give. And I smile at the thunder like it knows my name too well, like it's telling me a story only silence can retell. I don't chase tomorrow, I don't replay yesterday, I just let the rain translate everything I can't say. And I drift like I'm unlearning every fire I was burning, just clouds writing stories overhead that I let drift through my head. Let me sit by the water, let my mind feel absence and wander through the rain where nothing has to stay the same. Let it pour till I don't feel like I want it more. Just me and the sky, unspoken, in a moment, softly broken. Peace is a place, I think it's where pavement and gray skies, where the world doesn't ask me to be anything but alive. So I let go of the weight I was holding like a name, and I disappear gently in the rhythm of the rain. Let me sit by the water,